You ready? All right, let's roll, nerds.
All right, Judge, page 1. Aguilar, come on up.
No lawyer and still trying to fight the case? That's like walking into court unarmed. Bold, but very risky.
You are Jose Aguilar Barrera. You speak English? Ok, toma asiento, por favor. Vamos a esperar.
Judge, I can call the next one up.
Ok.
And then I'll text you. Page 11, Jackson, come on up.
You are Latoya Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you were charged with fraudulent destruction of a price tag. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to, bless you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Good
On
morning.
December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a theft at a business in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with a loss prevention officer who advised he was watching surveillance when he noticed the defendant removing price tags off items and placing them on different items in her basket. The total was $136.27. And when the officer spoke with the defendant, she admitted to removing price tags and placing them on different items before checking out.
Jackson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? What do you do for a living?
My healthcare performer.
Okay. What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have any children? Okay. Do you get support for the child? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? Okay. Do you mind giving an application, please? Deputy Lopez is going to give you an application. I'll have you fill it out. I'll see. I need to know everything about you, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you do, I'll provide your lawyer today, ma'am. Please.
All right, Judge, I can call the Spanish supervisor.
Okay.
There are any bond conditions for?
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Yes. No going, where was it from?
The Walmart.
Okay, no going to any Walmart.
Yes, Judge.
If you don't mind filing that, and then, hey, I forgot to do conditions, and so before she goes, we'll do, no going to Walmart.
That's from the state.
Yeah. All right, you are Aguilar Barrera.
Con talaga.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes.
Okay, sir, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do.
1 second he's calm and apologizing. The next he's shouting, "I'm innocent." That emotional flip is intense. Aki Kyle me yet genuine frustration high drama?
The officer initiated a traffic stop after observing the defendant failed to maintain a single lane and run over a curb in an underpass in Harris County, Texas. Upon contact, the officer observed unsteadiness, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant did not consent to standard field sobriety tests. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused a blood and breath sample. A search warrant was signed and executed.
Can you see any prior DWIs? And have you see it?
I have no license on file, and there's no prior DWIs.
Okay. Mr. Aguilar Barrera, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you were in this country without permission and you go to jail long enough and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with an with another 6 months in jail and or a $500 fine every time you drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Sí, lo entiendo.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming any kind of alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours. And that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning. How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Como unos 3,000 a la mes.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an
Oh,
attorney.
you do?
Sí, hay abogado.
Business.
Andro.
Oh, and droga? Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to have you swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset.
Judge any clear car dia. Contact your lawyer. Stay clean. Warta to jail. Simple like to high. Lekin follow karna sabs mushkil hoda high.
All right, Judge, page 19, crawler, come on up.
You are Mr. Prowler.
Yes, sir.
Is it, did I say it right?
No.
Prowler or Prol? Is it Prowler?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a doctor's office in Harris County, Texas, in regard to a criminal trespass. The officer made contact with the complainant and the witness, and the complainant and the witness stated the defendant had an appointment at the doctor's office several hours prior, was asked to leave, and the defendant stated he was not going to leave. The officer found the defendant and the complainant, or I found the defendant and the complainant and witness pointed to him stating that that was the defendant. The officer told the defendant he needed to leave or he would be arrested, to which the defendant refused, stated, "Let's do this," and turned around, putting his hands behind his back.
Have a lawyer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is he coming here today? Let's do this. I'm going to hold off on it real quick. I'm going to have you take a seat. Let's wait for your lawyer to get here and then we'll.
That's exactly what he told me. He told me to just explain to you that.
Don't. Let's wait for your lawyer.
He's asked me to show me the explain regarding the case itself. He simply told me to tell you he'll be here as soon as possible.
Okay, just hang tight for me, take a seat for me, and then let me know when he gets here and then we'll continue.
That was the last case.
Okay, any THAs? We're done.
Time to go home.
Let's go home. So I was talking with my other brethren and they said you can on an electric. Hi. So let me see what I can find for you real quick.
I did reach out and I did get an answer back yesterday. And I was told that she can do a portable device, Judge, and that she would not have to do the non-driving affidavit.
Really?
And they sent the contract over, so they would be sending it over to us and let everyone be aware since she does have insurance and since she is eligible to drive.
Oh,
So I don't know where the electric car.
Ms. Gomez said this?
Yes,
Okay, I
yes.
mean, if that's, okay.
And so I know we spoke with her yesterday, so we got to get, of course, everything notarized, signed, and then get her to get the portable. We're hoping to have everything complete by Thursday, because we're set to come back here on Thursday with everything taken care of, Judge.
Here, let me see.
And I don't know the type.
Will you do me a favor? Give me your cell phone, will you? Right here, just, I'm live streaming, so I don't want you to say it, but if you don't hear, give me your cell phone and I'm gonna text this to you. So in case, because okay, thanks. I'll send this to you now, and I don't know if this is gonna make a difference, but
You don't know they have to make the time.
okay, I just sent it to you. Just take a look, and I don't know if this is gonna, whether she wants to do this or whether she would rather do the other one, because on an interlock, you're only blowing when you drive versus when you have a portable device, you're gonna blow in it 3-4 times a day. And it may be at, what if you're in a meeting with a bunch of people and then it goes, okay, blow. If you don't blow, you're in violation, then they're gonna kick you out. So let her know that it's probably gonna be at one of the most intrusive times when it's gonna require her to blow versus just getting it in the car. She only blows when she drives.
Yeah, and I don't know why I thought it said scheduled, even with the meeting before, it said a scheduled time when you're still part of the low.
I don't know if they put a blow schedule on it in the car. I don't think they did. But I know that when you have a portable, there's always a blow schedule, where here you may not get one. I don't think that they do put blow schedule on it. But it's worth letting her know this is an option worth exploring.
Definitely.
So,
Okay,
yeah,
thank you, Judge.
for sure. Hey, tell me.
Jump out again.
Yeah,
We do have another case on docket, Judge.
Okay.
It would be Jesse Ferrera.
okay,
This was the one, Judge, that we approached on where we didn't submit the mitigation package because we were awaiting the accident report, which is typically required because an accident was involved in order to get possible entrance into the DWI-PTI program.
okay.
With that said, I know that was the issue of never having the accident report submitted.
You have it now?
I still don't have it, but I did submit the
Your
mitigation.
Honor, we did request it again yesterday, and we've been following up consistently. There's at
Who
least
are
5
you asking it from?
from,
The actual officer?
yeah, we're asking it from, yes, from the administrator from the constable precinct. We haven't asked the actual officer himself. We've asked the administrator involved.
How many times have you asked?
The prosecutor that was handling it, I know there was a shift, but she stepped out one morning and actually called and spoke to the officer who said she did have an accident report. And it was just a matter of clicking, I think, some buttons to get it on over. And I know that the state has been diligently following up on that, but it's on HPD or whoever.
So let's do this.
constable's
Subpoena
office.
the officer to come to court.
Yes, Judge.
I mean, we'll give it a week. So the officer's got to be here in, 7 days with report in hand. Subpoena is taken. If they're not here, I'm gonna have a show cause hearing. The case is 200 days old. We still don't have a damn accident report.
Yes, Judge.
Unacceptable.
And there are some offers, Judge, but of course, we're not willing to move forward on any of
No,
that.
I mean, you got to have all the evidence before you can make an informed decision. And it's 200 days. You still don't have an accident report. You should have gotten that within the next 30 days.
Yes, Judge. We'll subpoena the officer.
So we'll roll to 7/14. I'm sorry, 1/14. And then I'll waive the appearance and we'll go from there. Okay? All right.
Thank you.
Thanks. Diana Galindo, come up. Take a seat for me in the jury box. Oh, I was just emailing you, Kim. Your guy Harrison has bond violations. So,
Do a plea today.
okay.
Okay.
Done.
Thanks.
Otherwise, I was gonna put him on for, okay.
Morning, Judge. I have Miss Galindo.
Come up, Ms. Galindo. Come up, ma'am. Is this a first or a second?
This is a first. So Judge, I know that there was she missed on the 19th and the 31st. She's been in a situation where she's only been working part-time. She lost her phone service. I've explained to her that it's her duty to call in and make sure that she doesn't have a drug test on every day. She has been using her mom's phone. The issue is that when her mom goes to work, she doesn't have a phone. I told her that she needs to be able to call and check in every day as the bond conditions require of her. So as she's told me, she is getting a new phone, which should make the situation easier. I've told her she needs to update pretrial services with if her phone number changes, what her message phone is, all those things.
I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test now, and I hope that you don't test positive. And I'm going to tell you, if this happens again, 3 strikes, you're out. You've missed 2 tests. I don't care what your excuse is. You're supposed to abide by the bond condition of this court. And when you don't, there are serious consequences. You get no more passes. Do you understand? Now I can't trust you. So I'm also now going to give you a device, So now I'm not going to have you call in. I'm going to give you a device. And if I find that you consume, you're going to go to jail. But first, things first, I'm going to send her for a drug and alcohol test now. We'll have her come back. Assuming she's negative, I'm going to give her a device. If she's positive, we'll have to take another route. But hopefully you're not. All right. Take a seat for me.
Judge, I'd like to set this for jury trial, in this case. I'll get a jury trial.
Whatever you want.
Thank you.
Sure. Of course.
Judge, you said you'd like to wait till she returns for a device?
Correct. Because if she's positive, then I don't know what we're going to do. But
Judge, we have another.
okay.
Page 23, White, come on up. Yes.
Take a seat for me in the jury box, ma'am. Nope, in the jury box. I don't know what we're going to do. I mean, she's multiple FTAs. It's 240 days. Take a seat for me in the jury box, ma'am. Have you reached out to Jillian? Do you know?
I'll send her an email. I sent her.
Do we have her here anyways today? Do you know? Do we have her here anyways? No? Hi. Hi, come on. Yes, ma'am.
I'm here on Raymond Henderson.
You said Peterson?
Henderson.
Henderson. Okay.
We're trying to work on a few things. I just wanted to know if the court would be willing to give him time or credit for the time that he served out of county before he was extradited here.
Sure, of course. Yeah, I mean, it's young though, isn't it? No. The case,
Oh,
the case.
Yeah.
It's only,
Sorry.
right?
Yes, it's a newer case. He's got about 17 days of credit built up from out of county, and then he also has some credit here in Harris County.
Okay. What offers have you given?
So we gave a 30-day offer. So we're expecting that with the credit to be time served.
Okay. Yeah, I'm down for sure. Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Hi.
Hi,
Good morning.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I've been approaching this morning on Robert Moore.
War?
Yes, Moore.
More with an M. Okay. Oh, he's not.
Oh, no, that's somebody else. They both have the same last name.
Yeah, I have another case that got moved to Friday.
Her last name is Moore.
Is this is a new case?
Yes, it is.
You mind bringing them up?